Mambo vipi? So this is your girl Fridah Mwaka aka Kichuna cha Mwaka, ukiniita siku zote nitaitika. Who is calling me? I beg. Anyway, so guys, today I'm doing my birthday shoot. This girl is turning hata naogopa kusema miaka, but of course tunaingia third floor, so I'm doing my birthday shoot. I am so excited. Kama ndivyokujuza, I'm working with a number of people. We have chibi creations on this amazing look. Alright, tuko na the Star Beauty kwa nywele yangu, makeup tower pia vile vile kutakuwa na Anne's fashion line. So I'm working with a number of people kwa hii photoshoot. But right up to now nimefika kwa Veloz photography. I'm so excited guys. Let's do this. Working with Veloz, yani, ameni challenge because he's told me, no Fridah, you're not giving me what I want. And I've been working with photographers. Na photographers wote wako like, oh wow. So I'm working danganya. Do this one, he's like, no, give me that look. And if there's something I struggle with is, so Veloz wants me to give him a sexy look, a fierce look. Guys, ukishaambiwa you're below average, I need to do something.